Papa.
Tumungtong.
Where is the call?
Tumungtong na si Ashley. Tumungtong na si Ashley sa'yo. What are you doing there, Ashley? Wala, malaglag ka dyan! Malaglag ka dyan! That's it? That's it, Ashley? Brush your teeth. Good morning, baby. Good morning, baby. Anak ko ganun hubad. She's ready for her vitamins. Ay, yummy. Very good. Very good, anak. Very good, Ashley Tot. Yan. Vitamins. Very good. Yummy. Done. All done. All done.
The machinery by which we were going to recover from COVID.
Yeah.
This was announced by no less than the president.
Thank you.
So there's a heavy burden on the Department of Health.
Kaya mo hawakan yan, babe? Ay, doon. Doon may dalhin. Asa ka ba? Sorry.
Anong taba-taba ni Ashley?
Eat na tayo, eat. Breakfast. Eggs. Hati-hati tayo dyan.
American breakfast, hindi Filipino breakfast.
Canadian. Meron pang peach juice pala.
Ang dami mo.
Yay! Eat na po. Gulo pa ng bed namin. Kakagising lang namin. Morning. Morning! Eat! Morning. Eat. Use a fork, Ashley, or spoon.
Okay.
What's your name? Ashley! Check out na kami. This video. Ashley, do like this, please. Peace.
Arms up.
Arms up. Ashley, peace sign. Diba ka gumalaw, babe, para ma-i-crop ko na lang. So, lang pictures natin. Ashley, look here. Dikit ka naman ang ulo. Ashley. Kasama si Ashley. Teka nga, is na. Dikit ko, babe, dikit. Ulo mo. Punta ka gano'n si Ashley, nakatabingi, naka-side view. Smile! Ashley, kilitiin na ito, ha? Bye! Yung meron ba? May oras naman siguro, no? Bye, guys. Sabi niya, bye, guys. Ganito si Ashley, mag-coat. Pero usually siya na yung humihiga sa kanyang coat. Pag nasa sahig yung coat. Sa kama kasi. Check out na kami, guys.
At magti-check-in sa Sheraton.
Wow. Pag yan tinotoo ko, wala ka. May panty pa ako, kala mo. Kaya ko mag-ulit ng damit. Pag yan tinotoo ko. Utang. Utang. Joke lang. Ang sarap dito eh. Away sa Toronto. Pero back to reality na ulit kami. Work na ulit si Jonathan. Sala, nagbending. Allah. Thank you, Days In, for having us for 2 nights. English yun. Ang dami na mga gamit namin. 2 nights na, pero grabe kami. Grabe kami mag-pack para sa anak namin. Bye. Okay. Ako to. Eleven pala yun, no? Ay! Ako din eh, ganyan ako kahapon eh. Ako din. Nag-ground din ako. Matagal po elevator nila dito. Yun lang. The rest naman wala kaming comment. Malinis. If ever, Days In again ulit. Or pag yumaman. Sheraton. Embassy. Si Ashley tumae yata eh. Kaya ganyan itsura niya. Bye-bye, Days In. Bye! Joke lang. Naglalakad lang muna kami. Naka-check out na kami. Siyempre ayaw namin magbayad ng extra. Connected din pala to. Days In pa rin pala to.
Or inside, I wish my life was exciting and
Waiting na naman tayo 10 hours.
Baka blue line naman yan.
Hindi, yung blue line di bumabalik sa green line na. Pero linggo naman yun.
Friday pa lang ngayon. American Falls. Yeah. Snowing. Tagal kasi ng Wigo bus. Lalakarin na lang namin papuntang power station. Ayun na yung falls ng Canadian. Ayun yung American. Just ayun mga duck. May tatlong apat pala bebe akong nakita. Mataba, mapayat, mga bibe. There's no bus. And there's a squirrels too. Lake Niagara Falls is a very nice mental break for me. Pero back to reality na naman. Uwi na ulit sa Toronto. Lalawala kasi yung snow. Tapos naglalakad lang tayo. Naglalakad lang kami. Nawala kasi yung snow. Babe, doon natin tayo sa covered dapat. Tinan mo kami yung bus na.
Bus papunta dun eh.
Balik tayo sa butterfly. Unlimited ba yung butterfly? Hindi. Hindi rin. Bye. Hindi ko na kaya. Ang labig na. Ito oh. Hindi snow oh.
Green light, green north.
Grabe naman to. Snowing guys. power station. Bye. Niagara Parks Power Station featuring snowing right now. Ano ba? Ba't ako nag-English? And Ashley sleeping inside her stroller. Buti nang may takip kami. How about me? Can you take a video of me, babe? Ako din, tinawag yung tsura ko. Pakita mo lang tsura ko.
Oh.
Bye. Saan yung Niagara Falls? Somewhere there. We're entering now.
All gender parking. Ganda. Means dito na kami sa power station. Washroom na. Piti lang dito. Yan, isingin natin. Kapal ng copper. Ito yung wire na ginagamit. Fake na lang. Yeah. Hindi siya brass. Bato na yan. Baka siguro may nagninagaw. Papunta tayo ng Niagara, umuulan. Ngayon nag-i-snow, sobrang lakas sa labas.
Kahapon ang pinakamagandang weather.
Kaya kahapon, ang ganda ng weather. Tapos ngayon, dito kami sa power plant. Si Ash dito. Laki. Touch screen. Dito lang ata tayo titingin. Training will begin in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, you want to take over control. You all look like rookies to me. Running a power station takes years of training. Just look at this control panel. I wouldn't recommend touching anything on this panel unless you knew exactly what you were doing. But then again, my first day, no one let me touch anything. So maybe with my guidance, you'll do okay. Let's start with a warm-up question. How much electricity do you think the power station could produce?
Lakas pa rin ng snow. Pa.
So, you want to take over control. You all look like rookies to me. Running a power station takes years of training. Just look at this control panel. I wouldn't recommend touching anything on this panel unless you knew exactly what you were doing. But then again, my first day, no one let me touch anything.
Yakapin mo. Sige. Ano meron dyan? Elevator. Elevators.
taas pa po. Oh, play na?
Wait lang.
Experience the power of the Tesla coil.
Okay. Wala pa yung palang feel.
Proposing to go down 180 feet to the pavement tunnel. I'll give you some information as we're heading down, so if you want to listen, that's great. If you don't want to listen, it's part of my job, and I have to. Sorry. So on my right-hand side, eventually on my left, you'll see some giant pipes called pipe stocks. There's 11 of them in this tunnel. Their job's taking water from the Niagara River into our station. They're 10 feet in diameter, prototyped by hand, and can take 80,000 gallons of water a minute. All of that falling water with the we will then spin turbines at 250 revolutions a minute, spinning drive shafts like the one across from me. Those shafts connect to the generators upstairs, the big blue things you saw. Once they're spinning, an electromagnetic field is generated, and that would give us electricity. The base of the shaft has the gear deck, which controls how fast the shaft can spin. Underneath that is a large cylindrical object called a scroll case. These little turbines let the water spin around before dropping into the wheel pit at the bottom. The wheel pit takes water out of the station through the spillway, which returns water 2,200 feet to the Niagara River, where you'll be walking to. It's going to be about a 15-minute walk from here to the platform. You have ponchos again if you need them. And when you're done, just come back here. We'll get you right back upstairs. Okay? Wow.
Thank you. Oh, the car is
Tunnel talaga. Dapat mapuntahan din ito nila Kim. Nasa 150
Careful, baby, careful.
150 ano tayo feet below the ground. So, ang dami natin napuntahan dito, babe, na
Picture mo kami sa kanan.
yeah.
Oh, si Ashley, wala kami. Ashley, careful. Careful, Ashley. Sa kanan. Careful, baby, careful.
150 ano tayo feet below the ground.
You made it, guys. You made it. Good job. Parang kung final destination. Walk, walk, walk. Baby, sarado mo nga yung coat niya. Parang malamig dito. Parang malamig dito. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk.
Parang malabang nakaram pala to. Nandito pa lang kami.
15 minutes walk yun.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi ko pala
Tapos mapupunta kami dito sa tunnel. 100 ano?
15 minutes walk ko. Babalik tayo na sa inyo.
Sa ilalim kami. Kaya pala walang masyadong tao sa taas. Nandito pala sa ilalim. Nasa tunnel. Nakita ko dun. Pwede tong bomb shelter. Nagkagera. Pwede tong bomb shelter. Yung sahod dati. Ay, mataas na pala yung sahod dati kasi ikukumpara sa modern day, 32 per hour. So, above minimum na yung 25 cents sa yung sahod nila dito. Oo. So, ito, napakalaki na to. Ito yung mostly parang sahod ng nurse. 16 cents. Grabe, oh. 25 cents lang sahod pero katumba siya ng 30. So, above minimum. Ito na yung dulo. Mas mababa to sa napunta natin kahapon, babe. Na observation deck. Ito mas mababa to. Tara na. Whoa. Ito na pupuntahan natin. Wow. Snow. Tara na, lakas lang snow. Ay, yung waterfalls. Ko.
Sabi niya, karga.
Karga? Hindi balik sa stroller?
Karga?
Balik mo na dito kasi may napang ka.
Ashley, go
Pumo na dito. Balik ka na dito, Ashley.
Is okay here? Is it okay?
Yeah.
You gonna sleep?
Parang bibigay na, oh. Meron na lang kami ilang minuto bago. Ay, hindi pala to ano. Wala to sa ilalim ng tubig, babe. Kasi nakita mo yung viewing deck. Kasi ito yung tubig eh. Ito yung viewing deck kanina, oh. Yung tubig nandito lang eh. So, medyo above pa tayo sa tubig. Hindi to below sea
Wala pa tayo
water.
sa tubig.
Wala. Hindi to ano. Hindi to submerge sa ilalim ng tubig. Kaya walang papasok na tubig dito. Siyempre basa yung tubig ay yung floor sa taas, so na-absorb ng lupa yung tubig. Salt. May ipon siya, mineral. Pakalalim nito. Nag-phone ko ng elevator. Hmm? So,
How was that, folks?
so good. So amazing.
And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, just enjoy your ride back up, okay?
This power station is not working anymore, right?
2006, yes.
2006 the last time. Why is that? Why they stop?
Couple of different reasons. Firstly, you just couldn't produce a lot of electricity compared to modern stations. Its output was 76 megawatts. You can do that with a small wind farm, of similar scale at least. And the machinery here operates on 25 hertz electricity.
Yeah.
And their probably runs on 60, so 25 hertz moving a little slower, 60 hertz much faster. So if you try to get the electricity onto a 60 hertz grid, that would just not work. It would
Oh.
at the best of cases, it wouldn't work. At the worst of cases, things will explode. So generally, you don't want that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
And then also just superseded by a much larger station, 8 kilometers downriver, called Sir Adam Beck Station, which provides for 10% of Ontario and it sells to New York State. Whereas this building only really services Niagara and Buffalo. There's answer to the right here, okay? folks?
Yeah. Thank you. Yan, yan. Washroom again before we go.
Drive! Drive! No? Oh, let's go na. Eat na.
Ice cream gelato.
What's that, Ashley? What is that? Pasaway. Nag-ice cream si Ashley. Ito naman, umaraw na rin. Wow, may snow! Kanina walang snow dito eh. Okay. I'm just following Papa. Jonathan. My hubby, Jonathan. Papa ni Ashley. Balang araw, makakapag-hotel din kami dyan sa Marriott o Embassy or Hilton. Balang araw. Ngayon, it's a dream. This is a dream, right? Everything is white, 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 white. Snowy, snowy. Ang bilis maglakad ng asawa ko. Wow. That's so cool. Wow. 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 Tapos nalaglag yung cellphone ko dito, no? Dumulas yung cellphone ko dyan, no? Char. Yeah, ang ganda sa Niagara Power Station. Yung pala yung pinaka nagustuhan ko na. Kasi yung tunnel area. Falls. Sabay na pala kami ng bus. Okay, bye. Kala ko magdadaan pa kami sa falls eh. Bye. Ano pala yun? Bye. Okay, back to reality. Bye-bye, hotel. Malinis. We're gonna go there again next time. Ang reality namin. Dami namin i-upload. Hi baby anak. Hi baby anak. Antok na.
Busy center dito sa Niagara Falls. May gatas pa ba si Ashley? Ang laki ng busy center dito sa Niagara, oh. Grabe. Ang late dun sa Scarborough. Ah, nandito yung egg, oh.
Antok na kami. Uwian na. Uwian na. Nadaan kami noon. Uwian na. Nadaan kami sa bridge. Na may, ano ba yan? May harang, may bunga. Charot. Ay, wala. May na anak namin pagod. Ito na. Nadaan na kami. Antok na kami, grabe. Nakakapagod. Ayun. Bye. Bundok. Toronto na. Kanina pa. Nakalimutan mag-video eh. Umalis pala kaming tag-ulan. Babalik kami namang tag-snow. Okay. Bye. Okay, we're here na sa elevator. Sa apartment na kami. Finally.